When you create a load balancer service in Kubernetes, you're not just opening a port. You're triggering your cloud provider to spin up real infrastructure. Let's break down what actually happens. First, Kubernetes talks to your cloud provider's API. If you're on AWS, it provisions an elastic load balancer. On Google Cloud, it creates a cloud load balancer. Azure spins up an Azure load balancer. This isn't just configuration. It's actual cloud resources being created outside your cluster. Once the load balancer is provisioned, your cloud provider assigns it a public IP address. This is your gateway to the outside world. External users hit this IP, and the load balancer knows how to route that traffic into your Kubernetes cluster. That's how your internal pods become accessible from the internet. The load balancer's main job is distribution. When traffic hits that public IP, it spreads requests across all your healthy pods. If you have 3 replicas running, each gets a share of the load. This gives you both scalability and redundancy out of the box. Behind the scenes, Kubernetes automatically creates a node port service and a cluster service as part of the chain. And critically, the cloud load balancer continuously runs health checks against your pods, removing unhealthy instances from rotation. It's a full managed solution. So a load balancer service provisions cloud infrastructure, assigns a public IP, distributes traffic intelligently, and monitors health continuously. That's production-grade exposure in a single Kubernetes object. Practice explaining this, and you'll nail the interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.